Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change the lobby in Mobile Legends. Alright, let's begin. First, launch Mobile Legends on your device. On the main screen, tap on Downloading Resources located at the top of the screen. This will open the resource management options for the game. Next, navigate to the Manage Resources tab from the left side. Inside this section, go to the Extreme tab on the right side of the screen. Scroll down to the very bottom until you find the option labeled Season Story. Download the Season Story resource pack. Once the download completes, your game lobby will automatically update to the new seasonal design. Keep in mind that Mobile Legends updates the lobby with every new season, so you will need to repeat this process each time a new season is released. So, that's basically how you can change the lobby in Mobile Legends. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.